How to link your Roblox account to Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to link your Roblox account to Temu. So for that, all you have to do is just open your Temu account on your smartphone, and after that just go to the profile from the bottom, and here just click on the settings from the top right. Now you have to click on share this app, and there you will get the link of this particular app. Here you just have to copy the link, and then you just have to go to the your Roblox account and just log into your Roblox account, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top, and in your profile you will see this about section. Now just go ahead and copy the link that you have copied from your Temu app to the about section in your Roblox account, and after that just click on save. Link will be look like this hash icon in the about section, and this is how you will be able to link your Roblox account to Temu. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.